Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to download music from YouTube to your iPhone. So in order to do this, first of all open your iPhone, then simply navigate to Safari or any browser you have on your iPhone. Then go to the search bar and type in youtube.com. Now this will instantly open YouTube on your iPhone, where you'll have to simply click on an rectangle icon at the bottom left of the screen that you will see. Then choose desktop site from the settings that you're going to see there. After this, your YouTube will look something like this. Here, you'll have to simply pinch into zoom. Now, after zooming, click on the top right corner of the screen where you will have your profile picture for your YouTube. Make sure you're logged in before doing this. Now, click on YouTube Studio button that you will see from these options, where it is going to take you to studio.youtube.com. Now, click on this small audio library icon at the bottom left of the screen. Now, when you click on audio library options, you're going to see a bunch of music appearing on this screen. You can easily click on the play icon to play it. At the bottom, you will see that specific song is currently playing. Now, simply scroll to the right side of this, and when you zoom in, you will see the download button appearing saying download audio track. Click on this download icon and this will instantly download that specific audio or music from YouTube to your iPhone. So you can also search for any YouTube audio you want and then you'll be able to download it. So that's the simple way through which you can download music from YouTube to your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.